Today we are going on with the Fox calligraphy. So first I am going to introduce that what is Fox calligraphy, means what you mean by that, the word Fox calligraphy. So basically the word Fox calligraphy means fake calligraphy. Okay, so now you have a question that why Fox calligraphy is called fake calligraphy. Because as you all know that the Fox calligraphy is the basics for the brush lettering. Okay, as you all know that the brush lettering is done with the brush pens. Okay, just a second, let me show you a brush pen. Look, this is the brush pen, and can you see the thickness of the brush pen? Yes, so basically the brush lettering is done with the brush pens, and we basically go on with the upper strokes and the down strokes, thick down strokes. So as the tip of the brush pen is thick, so we are going on with the thick down strokes and the thin down strokes. So what about the Fox calligraphy? So basically the Fox calligraphy is the basic for the brush lettering. So that is called the fake calligraphy. So we are going to learn the basic strokes. Okay. So first I am going to start with my basic strokes. Okay, so first you have to give the heading basic strokes. So basically what is basic stroke? As I told you that we are going on with the upper stroke and the down stroke. So the number one is upper stroke. Okay, so what is upper stroke? Upper stroke is nothing. You just have to go from down to up. You just have to make a slant line from down to up, down to up. Upper stroke is nothing from downwards to upwards. As you can see, the word itself says that I am upper stroke. Okay, upper means from down to up, and upper stroke is always thin. Upper stroke is always thin. Okay, so this one is the first basic stroke, that is called upper stroke. And upper stroke, yes, you have to write this with me, okay? These are the basic strokes. And number second is downstroke. Downstroke. So basically what is downstroke? As I showed you that with the brush pen, we go from up to down. As I showed you that the thickness of the brush pen is good, okay? That the brush pen is thick. So we can go from up to down very smoothly. So when I'm using a pencil, or when I'm using a marker, or when I'm using a sketch pen, okay, so how to do with that? How I'm going on with a thick down stroke? So for that, I'm just going to create up to down one line, and I'm just going to create a thick rectangle stroke. Okay, from up to down, I'm going to create a thick rectangle stroke. Okay, now the word itself says that I am a downstroke. Okay, so basically you know the downstroke is going from up to down, and as the upper stroke is thin, so the downstroke is going to be thick. Okay, and I'm just going to fill the black color in my downstroke. Okay, we have to fill the colors in our downstrokes. Either you can go for the black, either you can go for the red color. Okay, you can go for the any color. You just have to fill the color. Now again, I'm going to explain you that why we are calling it the fake calligraphy. Because we are creating a thick downstroke with a normal pen or a normal marker. That's why this is called the fake calligraphy. Okay, so I'm done with my basic strokes, that is upper stroke and the downstroke. Now I will be moving towards my basic turns. Okay, let me show you basic turns. So what is basic turns? Basic turns is nothing but just the combination of the upper stroke and the downstroke. Okay, basic turns are nothing. The first one is underturn. Underturn. Okay, so what is underturn? The underturn word itself says that I am a you. Okay, underturn. You have to use a marker or you can use a black sketch pen. Basically, the Fox calligraphy is done with the simple equipment. When we are going for the brush lettering, then we use the brush pens. As the brush pens are costly and brush pens are not a normal pens, so the kids are not able to understand that how to go on with the thick pressure, how to go on with the low pressure. That's why the Fox calligraphy is introduced. Okay. Yes, now I was talking about my underturn. So I told you know, that the underturn word itself says a U, that I'm going under. Okay, so what I'm going on with my thick stroke, as this is the downstroke. So basically it is going to be thick, and when I'm going upwards, my stroke is going to be thin. As I'm going downwards from up to down, so my this stroke is going to be thick, and when I'm coming upwards from down to up, so my stroke is going to be thin. So this is my underturn, just a combination of the downstroke and the upper stroke. Now the second turn, that is overturn. Okay, so the words is itself says that I am overturned. So just the opposite of this, I'm going on with my U. As this is my upper stroke, so it is going to be thin. When I'm coming downwards, right from the top, here I'm going to make a thick stroke. Okay, when I'm going upwards, my stroke is going to be thin. When I'm coming downwards, my stroke is going to be thick. Okay, I hope the basic strokes and the basic turns are clear to all.